Hi guys, we are on Enchantment of the Seas and today we are touring suite room 8052. This is a 2-bedroom suite. Why don't you first come in and then we'll explore all the bits and pieces. This is the living room area. So we have a full-size sofa and 2 chairs. We also have sconces with the little switch on them. So anytime you see a light like this, it's gonna end up being a sconce like that. Here in the entertainment area, we have lots of storage. Check this out. Let me just open them all up so you can see exactly how much storage there is here. We have a safe there, but look at all these shelves. Oops, I'll try to be quieter. We have obviously a large screen TV, much bigger than smaller rooms. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawers. And we also have another set of shelves. And then here in the center, we have the refrigerator. So here also, there is a power strip, which is highly unusual. So clearly the ship provided that. And then there's also a Euro plug here. So for me, if I was working here, that would be super. Now, this looks like it's going to be a balcony door, but it's a very large picture window that is the full length here, which obviously we're filming after dinner. So like it's about 6:30 right now, so the sun is down, but we can still see this balcony here. Get this open. Now, frankly, I'm a little surprised that this balcony isn't much bigger. Yeah, it's because this is a 2-bedroom suite, so I was expecting a bigger balcony, but it has a nice large table and an amazing view that's quite long. But there's still so much to show you inside because we've only seen the living room. I don't even know which direction we should go. Let's go to the primary bedroom. So here we have the 2 twin beds pushed together to make a king, which can always be separated if needed. We have a nightstand with 2 drawers. We have the sconce light. You can also turn off the lights to the room here. We also have, sorry, I should have pointed this out, lights to control the entire suite area, living room and bedroom here on that wall. Now, this is all glass, so you can have it open or closed, with also the curtain either open or closed. And this also does go back out to the same balcony. Now over here we have a small vanity / desk area. There is also a TV. You can ignore this computer setup we have going on here, but there is temperature control here. So this, of course, you need to make sure the balcony doors are closed in order for your HVAC to work properly. So here we have 2 Euro outlets. We have the vanity lights and we have 2 American outlets. There's also nice storage here to put your either computer peripherals or beauty products here. So Very nice. But check this out. There's double closets. So this is one of them. There's the other closet. And then, oh yeah, I should have pointed out another nightstand here. So forgive me, I just got ahead of myself. So excited. Check out this bathroom. Oh wait, before the bathroom, there's more storage. We have 3 shelves here and 5 drawers. Lots of storage. So this bathroom, it's a full-size tub, always with the shower handle that comes down. We have the upgraded soaps. We have the peppermint shampoo, the rum body wash, and the cilantro hair conditioner. We clearly have a flush, a trash can. We have sink. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves. This little drawer, and then this little cabinet. So plenty of storage here with also the upgraded hand soap. So nice bathroom in the primary bedroom. We're literally only halfway done with this room tour. There's more to see. Here we have another desk area. We have some storage here. We have 2 Euro plugs here and 2 American outlets. Now, are you ready for bedroom number 2? Ta-da! So in this particular room, again, there's 2 twins that could be pushed together to create a king-size bed. But in this instance, they're separated. We have another nightstand with 2 drawers. We have a light switch to control the room light. We also have the sconce. There is another temperature control here. In addition, we have another television. So that is 3 TVs in this suite. The other bed, another set of nightstand with 2 drawers. Then this curtain, this is clear glass. So during the day, nice light can come in from that very large window in the living room. And look at this little shelf. Isn't that cute? That's great storage. And I see there's another Euro plug down there. But wait, there's more to see. Another bathroom. This bathroom is much smaller than the other, but it's your like normal size cruise ship bathroom with your sink. Again, still the 4 shelves, the little drawer, and let me move the trash can, the little cabinet. So that's the same. Flush, and then we have the shower stall. Now we do still have the clothesline, and we have still the upgraded soaps and the shower head that comes off. You can also raise or lower this, which is great if you've got kids in here. You can bring that down if you want. So yeah, that's this bathroom. We have one more place to see. Look at the size of this closet. You have so much long hanging space. Plus you have a shelf above, which primarily here we have life jackets. But there's also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drawers wide drawers. Our family members who have this room have kids, so this is their toy room. How cute is that? This is such a nice suite. I mean, you could have obviously a fairly large family in this suite, or if you're cruising with two couples, say one couple could have this area, one could have that room, and then, you know, everybody has their own space. So I think this is a fabulous setup, and this is an older ship, and I think it's quite well appointed. So yeah, let us know what you think of this suite. If you've stayed in a suite like this, let us know that too. On this particular ship, we did stay in a 1-bedroom grand suite, and we did do a video of that tour. So we'll link that below so you can compare this larger suite with that suite that we did have at one point. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.